Yo, we got another unboxing, man, straight from the Nike SNKRS App, man. If you guys are following me over on Instagram and on Twitter, you probably already know what's inside the box. But you guys already know, man, we got to keep that anticipation up. We got to do the whole unboxing experience for you guys. One of the probably most slept on colorways this year. I think it's very, very fire, just based off pictures. Like I said, it's taped up. We ain't opened it up yet. And we're going to see first with you guys, man. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe button for your boy, hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any more content we got. I got a couple videos lined up that you guys are gonna be seeing throughout this weekend, so make sure, like I said, you tap in by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the content. Leave a huge like on today's video. That helps the channel grow and it puts us in our algorithm, man. We trying to hit that 60K. We like less than 3,500 away, man, or I think 2,500 away. So if you guys can share this video with a friend, hit the like button, all that stuff will help the channel grow, you know what I'm saying? So all my Instagram links will be down below. I got like 6 Instagrams, I got like 5 YouTube channels. So everything will be linked down below along with the clothing brand UNKWN Collections. Make sure you tap in because we got a crazy drop coming this upcoming weekend, so you gotta stay tuned, man. All right, enough talking, let's get into the box. All right, like I said, man, I usually do not hit on the Nike SNKRS app, but your boy got lucky, you know what I'm saying? It seems like I always get lucky with the somewhat sneakers that I want, you know what I'm saying? Of course, I want the Travis Scotts. I want the, you know, I'm on my year 1s, the 2s, the 3s, all that good stuff, but sometimes you don't always get that lucky, and you gotta take what Nike gives you, you know what I'm saying? I took this dub. I'm gonna keep these as well because, as you guys know, your boy been trying to get the UNKWN collection back up. I sold like 50 pairs of sneakers, 50 pairs of shoes before I bought the crib, so it was a smart investment, you know what I'm saying? Smart investment, got a lot of bread from them, but we getting the ones back in the collection. As you guys can see, we have an Air Jordan 1 box. You guys already know. Throw that to the side and check it out. Usually when it comes in this box, it's like a woman's exclusive, if I'm not mistaken. I think all the women's exclusives, or most of them, come in this box. I don't know if we had any men pair come in a red box. You guys let me know down below in the comment section. That's what you guys are here for, man. We chopping it up, you know what I'm saying, giving each other game on some of these releases. And let's read the official colorway. Women Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, light iron, varsity red and sale. Got these joints in size 10.5. My size, man. They had to pay resale, none of that. Took a couple of days to get here, and we're gonna bust them out with you guys. So let's go ahead and pop the top off, throw it to the side. Let's see them. Let's see what they're here for, man. And yes, sir. Okay. Okay. I don't know what's been going on lately. These is tough, bruh. These tough. But I don't know if it's just because I just love Air Jordan 1s. I don't know what it is. It's not an Air Jordan 1 that I recently picked up that I feel like they missed on, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, maybe it's just me, but check them out. We have the Air Jordan 1 women's, I think they call it the Varsity Reds or the Chanel something. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna put the name right here because sometimes I be forgetting the official names of shoes. I just be copping them joints, man. So let's throw this box to the side. Something that's, let's see this real quick. So on the hang tag, you got this little protectant, I guess. I don't know. See if we can pop that off real quick. What the hell? It's too much going on. Check that out. It is too much going on with the hang tag. We're gonna leave that on because I'm gonna do a full review on these joints. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take it off just for you guys. I don't wanna, you know, destroy this little packaging it came with because I thought it was pretty dope. So you got this little package and then it holds the hang tag right here. And it's a furry hang tag. I don't know if you guys can peep that, but you got a furry hang tag, Nike Air, of course. And this was what come with the women's Chanel or Varsity Reds, whatever you want to call them. I think these joints is tough. So yeah, guys, it's pretty evident right now. We're in a sneaker recession. Nobody is really, I don't know if people are not buying shoes or if the value of sneakers just went down in the resale market. I don't know which one it is because I still feel like a lot of people are still buying sneakers. Shoes are still selling out. Even the shoes you call like bricks and stuff like that. You might see them sitting in the mall for a little minute, but then they still tend to disappear out of the malls and stuff like that, your local stores. But all in all, the resale is just pretty much dead, especially for these general releases, you know what I'm saying? And sneakers like this, if they would have released a couple of years ago, you guys already know the story. They would have been going for a crazy amounts of money. I don't remember, I think it was like 2020 and back, maybe to around 2017. I don't remember one Air Jordan 1 that was going for under 280, you know what I'm saying? As soon as they released 280 and up, you know what I'm saying, you'd be lucky enough to get one around a 250 price range. And now you got like StockX, you got GOAT and all that good stuff. That's allowing you to easily watch the market, seeing what the sneakers is going for. And I do believe that eventually, you know what I'm saying, and maybe by the end of the year, next year, beginning of that time frame, that the resale prices will start rising back up. I think that Jordan Brand actually is releasing a lot of sneakers. You know what I'm saying? We've been getting a lot of Air Jordan 1s. We've been getting a lot of just, you know, collaborations. It's just a lot going on, you know what I'm saying? Along with all the other stuff in the world, like gas and all that good stuff, stuff is rising in prices. And I feel like that's probably taken away from the non-necessities like sneakers. Sneakers is not a necessity. You don't need them, but you know what I'm saying? We do got sneakerheads out there that still spend their bread on the stuff that they love, like I said, which is shoes. These joints came with some extra laces. I think this is the same. It's like an off-white eggshell colorway, the laces. Nothing too crazy. I think I'm gonna keep the red laces in there. I think that'll look dope. But like I said, I'm gonna do a full review and on feet of these joints right here. And you guys already know the tail of the tape. You guys already know what I'm about to say. These joints right now is going for under retail. I can't believe it, you know what I'm saying? Super crazy colorway and nobody feeling it, you feel me? But hey, it is what it is. For the people that actually do want the sneakers, you can get these joints for under retail right now. I did see on Instagram that somebody customized these into the Air Jordan 1 Chicago's, but I'm not even doing none of that customization because in a couple of months, you know what I'm saying, October time frame, we will be getting the Air Jordan 1 Chicago reimagined, and I think that them joints is gonna be crazy. So, you know, we've been talking about the resale prices is dead. Nobody likes Air Jordan 1s no more, all that crazy stuff. The hype is dead for the Jordan 1s. When the Chicago reimagined drop, I'm telling you right now, it's not gonna be not one pair going for under 300. It's gonna be hard to find a pair. It's gonna be a lot of people hiking the prices up because we've been waiting, what? I think the Chicago dropped in 2014, 2015. You guys let me know down below. It's been about damn near 10 years and we just now getting a somewhat close pair to the Chicago's. You know, they got the crackle, you know, paint on the upper, and I believe that the outsole has like some crazy effect going on. But the price is gonna be crazy. They're gonna be a problem. They're gonna be hard to get. So be ready, you know what I'm saying? Clutch your pockets because I'm telling you, you're gonna drop some bread on a pair because the hype, the demand, it's gonna be out the roof. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for tuning into today's video. We just unboxed Air Jordan 1 women's varsity red joints. Super, super crazy. I'm gonna hit you guys with a little B-roll in this video as well so you guys can check them out. I wanna do a full review on feet because it's sneakers like these that don't get a lot of credit. Like this colorway is crazy. Maybe we didn't need the furry swoosh. Hey, it is what it is. Creativity, something different. So I do rock with it. You got the off-white midsole. There's a lot of different hits on this sneaker that I don't know why a lot of people wasn't talking about them. Not too long before the resale dip, you know what I'm saying, the hype for the Air Jordan 1 is gonna be dead for. So like I said, cop these joints right now. By the resale price is damn near non-existent. You know what I'm saying? You get a pair for under retail right now. GOAT, StockX, local resellers, you know what I'm saying? Hit them up if you want them. Don't sleep because in a couple of months, you feel me, I do predict that a lot of these sneakers will be rising in resale prices. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tuning into today's video. Leave a huge like, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. When I roll to 60K, 60,000 subscribers, you guys already know what the ultimate goal is, man, that 100K. Then we're gonna hit a million. So we're going from 100K straight from a million. We're gonna get there with you guys' support. Like I said, my clothing brand, UNKWN Collections will be linked down below. All my social media, Twitter, Instagrams will be down below as well. Like I said, drop a couple comments down below. Let me know how you feel about these Air Jordan 1 women varsity reds. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.